Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another Ital Eats and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. So today I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day, fully vegan, fully Ital, Jamaican style. So I always start off my day with a nice cup of bush tea. Bush tea is medicinal. I use a whole heap of different herbs. Today I'm focusing on some sorrel, nettle and fennel seeds for good digestion and for lots of iron and for vitamin C to help reduce period pain. Now let's go ahead and make some fresh juice. Fresh juice is also pretty big in Jamaica. I'm gonna be using some cucumber, vitamins, mineral water, make your bone them stronger, some pineapple and some sage. I personally love the way that sage tastes in fresh juice. I think it tastes so yummy and it adds a really nice taste and it ups the medicinal component of fresh juice as well. I'm making sure to wash the pineapple skin very well and save it because pineapple skin tea is really big in Jamaica. You can drink it hot, but I'm going to drink it iced today and I'm going to make sure that it seeps for a couple of hours. I am using the amazing Cuvings Auto 10 Plus juicer today, who is the sponsor of today's video. I love this juicer so much. If you wanna follow me, you know I love this here juicer. I use it all the time and I've been using Cuvings products for the past 2 or so years. What I love about this juicer is that they have a 15-year warranty on this juicer as well as many other of their juicers. You can use this to make fresh cold pressed juice, of course, but you can also use it to make smoothies, nut milks and even sorbets. It's such a durable product, and if you're interested, please use the link in the description box to get 10% off. And thanks again to Cuvings for sponsoring today's video. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a cute little parfait. This is not really Jamaican, but hey, good gut health can travel across many countries and many continents. I'm using some delicious coconut milk yogurt as the base, some mango and some hemp seeds, and I'm gonna go ahead and sweeten this with a little maple syrup because the yogurt was not pre-sweetened. And this tasted absolutely lovely and had so many different health benefits and so many probiotics to help my stomach feel great and promote good gut health as well as good yoni health as well. This next recipe is definitely not traditional, but it is Ital for sure. And this video is prioritizing Ital recipes. You see me? So I'm going to be making quinoa fritters. This is actually one of the newest recipes on the blog, and I'm making sure to bring on some delicious and nutritious Ital recipes on the blog this year. It's super delicious, and it starts off with your typical Jamaican fritter base. If you're interested in other savory recipes, I also have chickpea fritters and vegan saltfish fritters on the blog as well, using jackfruit.
No.
Yeah, so these quinoa fritters, absolutely delicious. When I was making them, I tried my best to have them in a perfectly circular shape, and some of them are not as perfect, but most of them look good. And I was thinking about it, you could honestly use this as like burger patty. That would be super yummy as well. Honestly, it was incredibly delicious and such an amazing way to start off my day. And if you wanted to have it less oil, you could go ahead and try to bake it. Now, I decided I was going to be preparing a feast for my next meal, so this will be my last meal of the day. I was not very hungry after this because this meal was just so ginormous. I'm going to go ahead and prepare some boiled food. I'm using purple sweet potato, which is obviously not Jamaican, but I had it in my kitchen, and I don't waste food around here, so we do not waste food around here. So I wanted to use that, and I feel like it would add a gorgeous color to the plate. I'm boiling some plantain as well. If I had a little yam, if I had a little dashi, I would do that as well, but of course you have to use what you have, make do with what you have. I'm also going to be making some brown stew tofu using fava bean tofu because enough rasta don't yum soy. It's up to you. Some rasta do, some rasta don't. This fava bean tofu is really high in protein and really delicious, super yummy. I'm also going to be making some ackee with smashed chickpeas to replace the saltfish, and I'm just going to be going ahead and chopping up some fresh herb to use as my base for the brown stew tofu as well as the ackee. feel like adding smashed chickpea to your Ital ackee is such a hack. Like, it's such a life trick that I need to make sure all Jamaican, Caribbean, whoever people that eat ackee and love ackee and yum ackee like their life depend on it need to be doing, because a lot of times Rasta will just eat regular ackee and that's great, but it's important to add a little protein, because a lot of people will say that, oh, protein is a myth. Protein is not a myth, and a protein can really help skin, can help you have clear skin, and it can help your hair to grow, can help your nails to grow and everything, and of course it helps you feel full longer. So I add my chickpeas. Chickpeas are a great source of many different vitamins, but of course you can add whatever you wish. I feel like the chickpeas serve as a really good replacement for salt fish. That is all for today. Here is what I ate today as a vegan Jamaican, Ital style, Jamaican style. If you all are interested in more recipes, make sure to go to the website italeatandtreats.com for more printable and free recipes. If you're interested in more, make sure to check out my ebooks. I love you all so much. Have a blessed day. Big up on yourself and catch you on the next video. Bye.